Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. About 8:54 a.m. on October 14th, 2009. Nice Wednesday. And we had a lot of news events coming out. So 8:30 we had export prices, import prices, retail sales. At 10 o'clock, business inventories. And retail sales for September came in at minus 1.5% instead of what the market was expecting at minus 2.1%. So that was much better than expected. A little bit of a pop here. Broke through the 108 mark that we had been looking at as resistance. I just pulled up a 60-minute chart here, and we're still hovering around 108.84 after a test of 109, which is excellent. Almost an exact test. The high was 109. And looking at a smaller time frame, of course it's the same picture, just more differentiated. It's kind of cool to see that 109 mark stick. Round numbers like this again. When approached from below can be resistance. When approached from above can be support. So if we hold this gap up this morning, that'll be a very nice bullish sentiment. And again, that would be a perfect test now. And a hold of this, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, 7 bars up in a row, looking for a consolidation or a pullback would not be out of the realm of possibility here. And so I always have that in my mind, especially with this overhead resistance on a weekly. Not necessarily bullish or bearish in this environment, but I am definitely waiting for a good pattern to set up. And right now, for the broad markets on the daily, I'm not seeing one. So just being very careful about how I approach this. Looking at the VIX from yesterday, if I can just do this again, I'll just show you this. We had that little spike up at the end of the day. All right, so just watch out how the VIX and the tick and the trend play out today. Just a tiny bit divergent. If you remember from yesterday, at 0.1 or at 1.0 for the trend and 0.65 for the trend Q to close. Not terribly divergent, but a little bit there. So watch how that plays out. Good stuff. And that's just a quick run around the markets this morning. Look and see how the gap fills from the 109 mark, and we'll go from there. Have a great trading day, everybody, and I'll talk to you noon.